All right, how you doing today? So let's quickly talk about teamwork, right? Now, when it comes to trying to make money online, you need a team. And I'm not kidding you because I have tried many ways to make money online. But when I started working with a team, it became very, very easy for me, right? And that's why I advocate teamwork, right? And that's why I keep talking about it every time. You don't want to go in this online business alone. It's crazy out there. Look, so many people have been promoting so many things out there, but if you check, they are not even making any money, right? And they don't understand why. It's simply because you are doing it alone. You see, you need a team to make money. It's so crazy the way it works, right? So that's why in our team, which we call the TeamBuilders free traffic rotator. Okay, so in our team, what we do is simple. We just generate a lot of traffic. Okay, so when we generate this traffic, we now give it to our team members. Now, this is very important. You see, when it comes to making money online, traffic is the lifeblood. We keep saying that, right? Without traffic, forget about it. I don't care what you are promoting. I don't care how you are promoting it. When you are not getting eyeballs to your website, people are not seeing your your product or whatever, you are not going to make money, right? And a lot of brand new beginners always have challenge of getting traffic. Okay, so we have noticed that, and that's why in our team we do our best to keep generating traffic, right? Like I have a very good amount of people on my email list, right, that I bombard every time with emails and generate traffic from there. And what so now when people join the Team Builders program through us or through my link, okay, I just have to put them on that traffic so that they start seeing visitors to their website, they start building their email list, and hopefully start making some money online, right? Now, of course, I always say this, I cannot guarantee sales, right? And there's a reason we say that, because I am not God, right? I'm not in the pocket of the buyers, and I cannot force the buyer to pay for anything, right? So now, seeing that out of the way, I can't do anything about that. But we have noticed with our traffic that I am getting sales, and many of the other team members are also getting sales. So that means it works, even though I can't guarantee it, right? Because that would be wrong of me to say, I guarantee. But this is awesome, right? So that is the power of being in our team. It is amazing because now, by joining our team, we are able to promote your link for you. It's crazy, right? Now, the idea is not to make you lazy or to be the one to run your business. We have no plan of running your business for you. It's just to give you that extra push, right? Like if you join our team right now and then you give us your link, we add you to the traffic rotator and we start sending you traffic for free. That has already moved you up in the business ladder, right? That means you are not just like a beginner, because we are supporting you completely. We are actually working with you for you to be, a successful marketer. We are working with you. We are teaching you our strategies, but not just teaching you our strategies. We are also promoting your link for you. So that's amazing. So that's what you notice. So we promote your link for you aggressively, and I'm not kidding you, it's aggressive, because the same traffic that goes to my link, we send part of that to your link too, right? So that's aggressive. And we keep buying new traffic regularly so that we boost the number of leads that we have in our system, okay? Now, so this is good. So if you have been thinking of, all right, I want to start an online business and I want to be successful, look, I tell you, joining our team changes that for you completely, and I'm not kidding you, right? Now, so with this system, your chances of earning consistent income online is very, very high, okay? And look, this is amazing. Look, with this system, you don't need any technical skills at all. So most people that say, hey, I don't know how to do something. No, you don't have to know how to do anything, really. You don't need to know how to do anything. Because with the TeamBuilders system, everything is set up for you by the company. They set up your website, set up your autoresponder, everything. All set up for you. So you don't have to know how to do anything if you, but that's not a wise one. You have to learn things, right? Because eventually you want to be in charge of your business. You want to earn more. You get what I mean, right? Now, so you don't need any technical skill. Now for traffic, of course, you need to get traffic, but we are supporting you with our own traffic in the Team Rotator. So you are going to get a lot of traffic. And remember, this is a high ticket system. So it's not like we're having a lot of people, right? So we're having a lot of traffic, but few people. So traffic really goes around, okay? So that means for the first few startup, you don't need to be very good at promoting because we are going to promote for you, okay? You don't need to recruit anybody. The system does all the recruiting for you. It does all the selling. In fact, the OLSP system sell by phone call. It's powerful, okay? They sell by phone call. So that means that you could actually make a lot of money without lifting a finger. It's shocking, right? Because they do all the phone call for you. They even do the email follow-up. So they send email on your behalf. They invite your leads to webinars, and then they close the sale for you by phone call. This is powerful, right? I've never seen anything as easy as this. So you don't need to sell anything. After the TeamBuilders, if you don't need to buy anything. Also, after the TeamBuilders, you don't need to have any experience of your own. Doesn't matter because the system is a done-for-you system, and we, as your team members, we support you with the traffic. So literally, almost everything is done for you, right? And it gives you the time to learn how these things are done while you are still earning money. So you are learning and earning at the same time, okay? Now, so with this system, there's no monthly fees, okay? There's a one-time setup fee, just like every other program, and it's a worldwide program, and it's amazing, okay? Very, very amazing. And look, let me tell you something. You could earn high-ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. It's a crazy system. It's working so well, and that's why we love it, because it's done for you, right? And when you join our team, we assist you with the traffic for free. Totally free of charge, right? It's powerful. So if you are thinking right now, Victor, look, I just have to join your team. I just have to join this TeamBuilders free traffic rotator system right now. So what you want to do quickly, go to my link, okay? Now what I want to tell you is this. Before you even go to my link, make sure you are using a brand new email address that you've never used before. I say that because you want to make sure you fall on my team. So you want to use a brand new working active email address that you've never used before. You can go on Gmail and set one clean email address. Then you now go to my link in the description above, click that link, join the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. Now, once you join, look, this is simple. They set everything for you. So you don't worry yourself about setting up anything. They set it all up for you. Okay. And they give you your link. Now, that link is all I want. Once you have joined, paid your one-time fee, just send me that link, right? And then once I get that link, I'm going to add it to our team Rotator, and immediately I'm going to start sending in traffic to your link, right? And look, this is amazing. This is the best time for you to do it and achieve it, right? So whether you are brand new, whether you're already marketing before, but you want to work with a team that is always going to be there for you, then make sure you join our team build system. All right. So go ahead right now. Click that link, use a brand new email address, and sign up with the OLSP Team Builders high ticket system right now. All right. And if you have personal questions, you can privately DM me, all right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.